Welcome students. In the week 6 session 1 we are going to learn about introduction to the concept of embedded system, microprocessor and microcontroller. Coming to the content of this session, first we are going to learn about embedded system, then microprocessor, then microcontroller, and lastly we are going to discuss the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. First we will learn the embedded systems. An embedded system is a microcontroller or microprocessor based electromechanical system which is designed to perform a specific task. Example for the embedded system is a fire alarm which sends only smoke. Another examples for embedded system is an automatic washing machine or your air conditioner. Any device which is performing function automatically will usually a embedded system. An embedded system will have three components in it. The first one is hardware, and second is software, and the third one is mechanical component. So we can define an embedded system as a microcontroller based software driven reliable real time control system. Coming to the second topic, that is microprocessor. A microprocessor is a computer processor that incorporates the function of central processing unit on a single integrated circuit or at most a few integrated circuits. The microprocessor is a multi-purpose, it is a general purpose, it is a clock driven register based digital integrated circuit that accepts the binary data as input and processes it according to the instruction stored in the memory and provides the desired or required output. Coming to the second one, microcontroller. A microcontroller is a highly integrated chip that contains a CPU, scratch pad RAM, special and general purpose register arrays, on chip ROM, flash memory for program storage, timer and interrupt control units, and dedicated IO ports. So overall we can say a microcontroller is a true computer on chip. Students, now we will see the differences between the microprocessor and microcontroller. The main difference is the microprocessor has only processor and the memory and IO components have to be connected externally, whereas in microcontroller has processor along with internal memory and IO component on chip. Microprocessor is used to perform many tasks. As you can say, it is a general purpose, where the microcontroller is used to perform a single task or a specific task. A microprocessor is a heart of the computer system, whereas microcontroller is a heart of a embedded system. Microprocessor is bulky in size, microcontroller is small in size. Microprocessor is costlier, whereas microcontroller is cheaper. Microprocessor is based on Van Neumann architecture and the microcontroller is based on Harvard architecture. Microprocessor have less number of register, microcontroller have more number of registers. As microprocessor is a general purpose, it consumes more power, and microcontroller is made for a specific task, it consumes less power. Microprocessor requires more external components. Why? Because microprocessor have only processor in it. The other components must be connected externally, whereas for microcontroller we require less external component as it includes all the necessary components inside the chip only. And example for microprocessors is 80286, 80386 and Pentium, whereas example for microcontroller we have 8031, 8051 and 8052 ICs. Thank you students.